Most hockey players trying to fix their posture just stand up tall and push their shoulders backwards. And that actually makes everything worse. When you bring your shoulders back, you flare the bottom of your rib cage. Now your ribs lift up and out, and your diaphragm loses its ability to expand properly, especially into the back. So instead of a full 360 expansion, you start breathing into your neck and upper chest. At the same time, you flatten your upper back. And that's a problem because your shoulder blades are designed to sit on a slightly rounded structure, which is your middle back. If you flatten the curve of your middle back, your shoulder blades can't glide properly, shoulder movement is restricted, and your whole system loses efficiency. Now your stack is off, your head shifts forwards, your rib cage flares, and your pelvis dumps forwards. In hockey, you lose your balance in your stance, your center of mass shifts forwards, and your stride becomes less controlled. So instead of forcing posture, we need to rebuild a proper stacking position of our body. And here's a great postural exercise to do just that. Find a wall. Take about 2 to 3 steps away from the wall. You're going to gently place your pelvis against the wall with these 2 points of contact. Set your feet hip width apart. Knees are slightly bent but not locked. Feel these 3 points of contact with your feet being your heel, your big toe, and your pinky toes. Now change your weight distribution. Put about 60% of your weight through your heels and 40% of your weight through your forefoot. Now with your upper body, you're going to bend your elbows 45 to 60 degrees away from your torso. Now gently reach your elbows forwards to separate your shoulder blades away from your spine. Now gently exhale through your mouth for 5 seconds. Let the air fall out. Don't force it out. And then you're going to inhale through your nose. Let the air fill your rib cage, into your sides and into your back with no neck tension, and make sure your eyes are staying straight forwards. Some common mistakes that we see is still having the shoulder blades tight to your spine, pulling your shoulders back. Create space between your upper back. Don't pinch. Number 2, the rib cage still flaring upwards. As you exhale fully, feel your ribs come down before you take that next inhale. Number 3, the weight is felt predominantly in your toes. Shift backwards, feel it in your heels. And number 4, and the most important one, breathing through your neck. You must keep your neck fully relaxed. This should feel effortless and balanced, not rigid or feeling a lot of tension. You want to do 5 breath cycles for 2 sets.